Guys, so it's so weird. In the shampoo and conditioner aisle, they have no bloody shampoo. It's all just conditioner. But I found it in this brand, but I don't really like this brand. But oh well. Gotta get this one. Yeah, so I just had to do a big house shopping because my 360 is sold, guys. Yes. Oh my gosh, I forgot to say hi, guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel. But yeah, so I was so happy it got sold for the price I wanted for it, which was 3k taala. They did try and negotiate it down to 2k, and I was like, fine. Don't value me, okay, because I'm not value. No, but it's business, you know. Obviously, people are always going to try and negotiate a price if you're asking for an asking price. So, yeah, but I was like, you know, thank you for trying, but no, try again later. But you know what was so, like, funny? So, the people that bought the 360 machine off me, well, they're going to find out now if they watch this. So I was just thinking that there were actually going to be build-ups because when we originally were supposed to meet, they never came through. And I was like, it's cut to the chase. I just wanted to say the day we did agree to meet, the girl that's managing the socials, she had a bit of an attitude, but you know, I had to be professional because, you know, I want this sold. Anyway, so we agreed to meet at 2 p.m. And then they changed their mind. They wanted to meet at 4, but I couldn't. I had other obligations, you know. And then when I was telling her I can't, she just did a thumbs up as a reply. So I wrote back saying, oh, just confirming, does that mean you're coming at 2? And then she wrote, well, obviously you're not available at 4, so yes, we are. And I'm like, well, what kind of a reply is a thumbs up, you bloody shot? But the owner, I met her when she came pick up the machine. She was so lovely. She was so nice. And she was so happy with the other props that came with the machine with the same price. And she was just like thankful. So I was like, oh, I feel great. And then she's like, do you want to say goodbye to your machine? And I'm like, no, but I wish I recorded it. I wish I recorded her being there, but I was just so busy packing everything up for her. So I bought some marmoy because I felt like making curry. So let's go make some curry for dinner. But I'm doing it early because the cash power has just been bloody amazing and switching off around 4 p.m. till midnight. So I'm doing my early dinner now. Let's go.
Nothing comes to mind. I've never had a problem approaching a woman, never. This time I'm not so clever. What you give is a vibe and an aura, so captivating. I have yet to hear the sound of your voice, but you got my attention. And all I have is love and affection. Woman, what do I say to you? I'm lost for words. If I can't afford your loving, would you mind if I adore you? Woman, what do I say to you? If I can't afford your loving, would you mind if I adore you? Dulo, causi fai allow no. Tahine, lahi asia kumalako. Io sinona, of a mai talamayo ingoa. Tuku peke usi vare.
calm down. Oh my god. Hey guys, so just going to my friend Mose. So Mose is a hairstylist. He does it all. He does makeup, hairstyling, you name it. But he's got his own boutique with his cousin. So I wanted to go and support him, and also I made some dessert boxes for him and his cousin. Just as a celebration for them, to congratulate them on this awesome new chapter in their lives with having this own business of theirs. And it's hard out here in Samoa, so just want to show my little appreciation for what they're doing in Samoa. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get my hair done. I haven't done my hair in years, so I was gonna get dye it in a honey color with highlights, because that was always what I used to get back in the day. But yeah, I thought, why not, so yeah, let's go. Hey, Mose. Oh, this is just a little gift for you and your cousin.
Oh, thank you so much.
Congratulations to your shop. So Mose had the bleach in my hair at this point, and man, it was stinging. I'm not getting the honey anymore. He told me that I would suit the ash blonde, and I was like, oh my god, I've never done that before. And he's like, trust the process. I got this. Once the bleach was ready, it looked like this, and I was like, no. And Mose's laughing. He's like, bro, just wait, it's not done yet. Say, okay. I was like, okay. So I'm just really nervous because I've never had my hair blonde like this. But then, ta-da! Oh my gosh, I loved it. I was like, Mose, I love this color, thank you so much. And he's like, I told you. Anyways, I was so happy with it. Thank you, Mose, I love you so much. My Sass, Tilly and Mose were the ones that were like, oh my god, you'll suit the hair. But yeah, I know, I should have just had some faith in them. So guys, if you are traveling to Samoa, or if you live in Samoa and you're not aware, this is Bre and Mose's shop. It's called DUET STYLES. They do lashes, eyebrows, hair and makeup. So man, they're pretty much a one-stop shop team. So please come here. They're in Vailima. If you type in Vailima Primary School in Google Maps, it comes up and it'll find it. But anyways, before I went home, I went and got myself some pingakis, and then got some food, went home, and yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe, and thank you so much for the new subs. I appreciate y'all. Love you guys so much.